a customer to choose mutual funds. We have tried to make the tool as simple as possible. Everybody uses Excel sheets, so we thought that maybe an Excel sheet only we will use. We have taken the top 2,000 funds. We really thought that it is not meaningful to look at the entire 4,000, 5,000 mutual funds that are there. So we have restricted to 2,000. That's number 2. Number 3 is the data is pulled from the company websites. Okay. The latest NAV, the 1 month performance, the 3 month performance, the AUM value, the current NAV, the past whatever. Everything is pulled from the mutual fund website. So therefore, just to answer your question, sir, if a company introduces an NFO, that also gets pulled in automatically. So therefore, what you have seen here is basically 2,000 records, 1,700 records. In an Excel file, a record means a row. Yes. So you see about 1,700 rows. Each row represents data of that particular fund, right? So there will be name of fund, there will be 1 month performance, there will be 3 month performance, there will be 6 month performance, there will be 1 year performance, there will be 3 year performance, there will be 5 year performance, there will be latest NAV, there will be AUM. Okay. We believe, and please correct me, Somalbhai, you are from the mutual fund industry. Of course, we are talking to you as a customer, but you are in the mutual fund industry. I believe that the customer chooses mutual funds on the basis of these parameters. There are a couple of other parameters the customer chooses by, which is not reflected here. For example, he will say that I don't care about the fund, I don't care about the NAV, I don't care about any details. I only want to know if the fund manager is Prashant Jain. If the fund manager is Prashant Jain, I will buy. That particular parameter we have not captured. I think that's the only parameter we have not captured here. The name of the fund manager, which is a small deal to put it there. However, I believe that every other parameter is captured. The customer will say that, look, I want the funds which are big in size. Or the customer will say, look, I want the funds which are only by these mutual fund companies. I'm interested in I might not be interested in a Taurus, a small one. I'm interested only in a Tata and Birla and ICICI and HDFC and Reliance and whatever, only those 6. Okay, I'm not interested in anything else. I'm interested only in a Taurus. I love Taurus. Taurus is like my baby. So I want only Taurus. Whatever. So therefore, it is only an Excel sheet. The Excel sheet has all these. I said the rows are the mutual funds. The columns are these parameters. So the data is imported automatically from the company websites. In short, the latest NAV data is there. Okay. Now we go to a customer and ask the customer, hey customer, sir, please tell me on what basis. I can give you a recommendation myself. I will proceed to give you my recommendations. Meanwhile, is there, if you need any change in recommendation or if you not need any corrections, you can always tell me. Or you can also go and do it yourself. I am giving you one particular path. There are hundreds and thousands of paths. Permutation, combination, hundreds are there. Because Excel gives a facility called sort and filter. Now, customer sir, we have just done your financial planning. We have realized that you need maybe an equity diversified fund and a ELSS fund. So let's look at the universe of equity funds and ELSS funds and then choose. So the first thing we'll do is we will filter we will just tick on equity diversified and ELSS. There will be about some 200 funds which will come there, which are equity diversified ELSS. Sir, while we can recommend any kind of funds for you within these 200, since you are a first time investor and whatever, I would think that you should stick with those 4 or 5 big names, sir. So within those 40 mutual fund companies which are there, some of them you can see those names now, JP Morgan, Taurus, Giras, everything is there. I would just suggest that you stick with those 4 or 5 names, sir. So I will, for you, I will take ICICI, Reliance, Birla and let's say HDFC. Example. So the 200 funds becomes about 60 funds. Sir, these 60 funds are equity and equity diversified and ELSS funds. These funds are from the 4 fund houses which you are saying earlier. Okay. You don't need to necessarily go by this route. You can first thing you can do out of 2000 funds is, look, I want only funds which have the highest AUM. I mean, you can whichever route. You don't need to first filter by column A and column B. You can also start filtering by column Z or column N or whatever it is. I have done this route. Okay. Sir, now there are about 50 funds here, sir, which are both either equity diversified or ELSS. They also belong to these 4 fund houses which we have shortlisted. Sir, how would you want to? What my suggestion is, sir, out of these, please look for the AUM figures are there of each of the funds. I will not ask you to look at the AUM figure one by one and figure out which is the biggest or not. Along with it, the AUM figure is there in column X. Column Y also gives a ranking. It will say top 25% of their peer group in AUM. Second 25% of their peer group as far as AUM is concerned. Third 25% of their peer group as far as AUM is concerned. Fourth, so you divide 25, 25, 25, 25. So therefore, for the moment I would suggest that you go to the funds which are the highest in AUM in their peer groups. So I will just click top 25% of peer group. What happens here is equity diversified and ELSS is shortlisted. The 4 HDFC and Birla, what are the shortlisted? Among these companies, the mutual funds, the funds which are in top 25% of their peer group in AUM get shortlisted. Excellent, great. Next, sir, obviously you will look at short-term performance, you will look at medium-term performance, you will look at long-term. Everything is there. Let me, since mutual fund is for the normally it's not for the very short-term, it's for the medium and long-term. I will within these some for 30 will come. 30 mutual funds will come. Within these, let us look at shortlisting among the top 5 year performance. Filter. So these again top 25% quartile, top 25% performance of peer group, second 25% peer group, third 25%, fourth 25% peer group. These funds, and you will get a list of some 15 funds. These funds are satisfy all the criteria. They are equity and diversified. They form among the 4 fund houses you named. Their AUM is in the top of their peer group. Their 5 year performance is great among their peer group. Excellent. You got some 15 funds here. Super. Within these, let us also filter further on the basis of funds which are whose 3 year performance is great. Top 25%. Filter. 7 funds coming. These 7 funds, what are the criteria? Number 1, they are out of the 4 fund houses. They are equity or ELSS. Their AUM is great. Their top 5 year performance is great. Their top 3 year performance is great. Shortlist. You will finally get about 2 or 3 funds. Okay, where ELSS or it will satisfy your criteria. ELSS or equity. It will be from one of the 4 fund houses which you are saying. AUM great, top 25% of your group. 5 year performance great, top 25% of your group. 3 year performance great, top 25% of your peer group. 1 year performance great, top 25% of your group. 6 months performance great, top 25% of your group. 3 month performance great, top 20% of your group. 1 month performance great, top 20% of your group. There are actually funds like there are 3 funds, HDFC, top 200 and HDFC. If you actually do this calculation, you will see that these funds are superb, sir. I mean, I cannot de-sell a HDFC 200 to anybody. I cannot say that don't buy it. You know why I cannot say it? Because if you actually look at this tool and do it, it is from the HDFC family. Its AUM is on the top of the table as far as AUM is concerned. Its 5 year performance is top of peer group. Its 3 year performance top of peer group. Its 1 year performance top of peer group. Its 6 months performance top of peer group. Its 3 month performance top of peer group. Its 1 month performance top of peer group. Okay, so there is no way I can anti-sell HDFC top 200. In fact, there are 3 HDFC top 200, then there is a Birla 90, whatever. However, so I will finally, if I actually do this tool, I will get a list of about 4 funds or 5 funds. Okay. Supposing I don't have a choice amongst mutual fund houses. If I have a choice among mutual fund houses, then it's a different thing. I mean, the choice becomes lower. Supposing I want equity diversified, which are great in AUM, which are great in 5 year performance, which are great in 3 year performance, which are great in 1 year performance, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month. I get some 5 or 6 funds. In these 5 or 6 funds, what I will do is I will sort or filter till 3 months. Or maybe I will filter only till 6 months. 6 months tanka filter madidre, I will get some 8 funds which have been great in the 6 month and beyond. But last 1 month or 3 months they have taken a hit. In fact, what I would suggest to someone as a customer to do is, sir, within these I will ask you to filter the last 1 month bottom, sir, or last 3 months bottom 25%, sir. Out of these 8 funds, you will get 1 or 2 funds which are bottom. Let's say HDFC growth equity. Sir, HDFC growth equity, just look at that fund, sir. It's a great fund house. Equity diversified is what you wanted. 5 year is great. AUM is great. 3 year is great. 1 year is great. 6 months is great. The last 1 month it is right at the bottom, sir. So there is fundamentally there is nothing wrong with the fund, sir. Super fund, sir. 1 month hit agide, sir. For whatever reasons, I think that it is available cheaper than what? Immediately buy, sir. Please, sir, application form, sir. My recommendation to you would be HDFC growth fund, sir. whose bottom 1 month performance. 3 months also it is in the, I think you can see that, sir. It's in the second top or whatever. It's not in the top 25, second top leader. But 1 month performance, bottom top leader. Best time to buy, sir. Please buy, sir. So this as a advisor is what my recommendation would be, sir. Now, Sumant bhai, I have given you this as a I want you to tell me and tell us also what else does the customer look for buying mutual fund? Apart from whatever I told you, what else does the customer look for? How else does the customer buy? Number 1. Number 2, is there some tool similar like this in the market?
There is no tool similar in the market wherein I can access all the info on one button.
Correct. In one button. Exactly. What will happen is there will be tools like value research or money control or whatever. There will be 5-year performance, 1-year performance, 3-year, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But 5-year performance tick ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ as per 5-year performance control ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. If you tick on the basis of 1-year performance, that will go off. A 5-year ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, 1-year ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So it will not filter. 5-year roku, 1-year roku ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. AUM roku ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. In fact, most of the tools do not have AUM also. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ. So, okay. Next question to you, sir. So, do you agree that there is no such tool available? Okay. Excellent, sir. Great. Next question. Please tell me, is this relevant or not? But my question is not, is it relevant or not? My question is there any other way by which a customer needs to buy mutual funds?
It's this tool, what you are telling is a very good tool. But initially, when you get a new customer, you need to tell him how does it work.
Sir, that is fine, sir. I mean, that is the sales part, marketing part. That is all fine, sir. Yeah. I am not asking about that side. That is there. That work is there. What I am asking Sumant bhai, and what is more relevant for me and the team here is there any other way? Is there any other parameter by which a customer should buy mutual funds? For example, Sumant bhai can say, look, at the end of the day, I don't think, I mean, these might be important, but there is a parameter, like for example, as a fund manager. Customer should buy.
Sir, ranking.
What ranking, sir? Ranking on what basis, sir? How does the rank arrive, sir? Value research arrives at a ranking, sir. How does the rank be arrived? Ranking is a derived value, sir. It is not an absolute. It is a relative value. How is it? I believe that the ranking which a value research, I definitely have no direct connectivity to Dhirendra Kumar, but I can tell you that their ranking is also added on something very similar to this. So, value research, in fact, that is one tool. There is another tool I have, sir, and again, please tell me if there can be another. In fact, that tool is also there. We have still have not put it on this is in beta, but please tell me if there is anything else in the market, which can beat that, and is there anything else which is required? That tool is just you see you mentioned about ranking, sir. Sir, every month we have a money control, not money control. In fact, 4 companies you have taken. A value research comes out with lists of best funds to buy, great funds to buy, super funds to buy. Just give me a pen, no? Market, please. One market. So, great fund to buy and sir. Some 20 funds are there in this, sir. That same month, this is what value research. Okay. We have taken 4 companies. We have taken value research, we have taken Harvey Wealth, we have taken what is that called? Yeah, 1 minute. We have taken value research, we have taken money control, we have taken Morningstar, and we have taken CRISIL. These 4 we have taken. Value research we have taken CRISIL, we have taken Morningstar, and we have taken Harvey Wealth. Every month at the beginning, this is again an automatic tool, sir. Value research says that these 15-20 funds are great in the market, or 5-star, or 6-star, whatever are recommended funds, buy them. Harvey Wealth gives its own list, sir. These are our funds to buy. CRISIL gives its own list, sir. These are our own funds to, super funds, great funds to buy. And you have Morningstar also giving its own list, sir. We have actually presented this to the customers, and it's there, and it's automated. By the way, it's all updated, automated, and every month automatically it pulls data from these sites and automatically presents. So if you look at our site, it's still in beta. We have not put it up totally. It will give this information. What we tell the customers is, and Sumant bhai as a customer, also as a mutual fund company later. Sir, do we have a research team who does the number crunching? No, sir, we don't. Do we have our jokers who sit and do all analysis? No, we don't, sir. However, there are 4 jokers, you know, sir, big jokers. One joker is value research, one joker is CRISIL. These people come out with their own recommendations every month. What I am telling you, customers, I am not saying that you will go by them, but all I am telling you is these funds, these 3 or 4 funds which are here, are commonly recommended by a value research, by a CRISIL, by a Morningstar, and by a Carvey Wealth. I am not saying these must be the best seller ever, but all I am saying is these big jokers who are there have commonly recommended these four. This is my sense. Please tell me, Suman bhai, is there any tool like this in the market today? And number one, is this tool not relevant? That also you can tell me. I told you about one tool. You need to honestly tell me, look here, forget about trading part and telling us, that we will do, sir. But I just want Suman bhai to tell me, A, tool is good, whatever you have done, but it is not relevant. Yeah. Was it important? You can tell me that, no problem. I don't want honest feedback. No. Or, this is fine, yeah, but still, jamta nahi hai. If either of those things you can tell, no problem.
No, it's a good tool, sir. It's really a good tool because it gives you on one button, it gives you information on all the funds, and you can compare all the funds on one page, and however you want. It's like 5 year, 3 year, and all, which like value research and all they are not giving it. That is one good thing. But my suggestions are like, how do you compare the ethical, MIPs? Because nowadays all MIPs are different.
Correct, sir. Correct. On what basis does customer buy MIP, sir? On what basis? Fine, it's great. On what basis? What are the parameters? What are the things that a customer looks for in MIP?
Like, sir, nowadays if you take a equity fund from HDFC or equity fund from Reliance, people will tell you like nowadays people have started telling don't have anything new.
So therefore my question to you Vapas is, sir, again I will repeat the same question, sir. What is the basis? Supposing there are 10 MIPs, sir. There is one MIP here, one MIP here, one MIP here, one MIP here, one MIP. What is the basis on which the customers choose MIP? What are the things? How does he or she shortlist MIP?
Performance, diversification.
One minute. Performance?
Diversification.
Performance is one, so I have got performance parameters. Second is that is diversification. What diversification, sir?
So now I'll tell you what. People look at an MIP, it's like they compare our MIP.
Because I believe that diversification is already taken care of when a customer decides that he wants to go for an MIP or he wants to go for a liquid fund or he wants to go for an index fund or he wants to go for a...
That's the problem over here, sir. There is inside diversification, I guess asset allocation.
So you are saying sub-diversification.
Asset allocation is...
Beautiful. Sub-diversification within equity diversified I am looking for small cap, I am looking for mid cap, I am looking for whatever. Okay. I will be very happy to add that criterion also. It will become even more complicated. I agree. Okay. We are saying that look here, well this is fine. Further divide it and say on the basis of fund manager you put it, on the basis of let's say within MIP diversification of the funds. Within why MIP? I mean, you can take an example of equity diversified. No? Customers will look only for large cap equity diversified, will look for mid cap equity diversified, will look for small cap, would look for sectoral equity, whatever. I completely agree. It will take another half an hour of effort actually to put in that diversification and club to the funds. But as of now we left the tool like this because as it is becoming too large. I completely agree. But the point Suman bhai is fine. Next, anything else, sir? I agree, sir. Is there anything else?
Nothing else, sir.
So we have taken the main things as the performances of the fund, and performances over every term, every possible term. We can always say, look here, maybe customer looks for why 3 months and maybe 4 months is a good criterion. Customer look for 4 months. Anybody can always come and say that, sir. Hey, why 1 year? Why, what about 2 years? Why you have not put in 2 years there? Suman bhai can always come back and tell me that. So that would mean that this thing will become bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So we have just taken the main one. So I have taken the base of performance. I have taken on the basis of fund houses.
See, that is also there. So like, see, you put 2 years also. Today a fund which is ranked number 1 in the 1 year performance today, maybe third tomorrow.
Correct. Correct. I agree with you. So all I am saying is, sir, as it is the user you had mentioned, I mean, you have given a very honest feedback. Look, yeah, the customer needs a lot of training in understanding this. I mean, he needs to take time, which is fine. So given that very sincere, clear feedback that you gave, which we also understand. If I add more columns or more categories like within equity diversified, large cap, mid cap, small cap, within MIP, higher diversification, medium diversification, lower diversification, maybe sectoral like ethical, whatever, something. Supposing I do further, it will become even more confusing. While I am sure that I can do it for my customers later. To start with, I'm coming out with this too.
Because like it looked complicated when
I agree, which is what I'm saying. It would have become more complicated if I put that.
See, why people come to distributors is not because they can't select a fund. It's because make their work simpler.
Correct. So therefore, we will do it for customers.
Yeah, true.
So which is why I gave a recommendation where I told that, look, sir, you come for I'll suggest you go for equity diversity ELSS, and you go for this, and I will give you. In fact, you want an equity fund, sir? Let me choose the best fund for you. करके मैं अगर पूरा shortlist करके दिखाया customer को, तो I will. By the way, I should tell you, the 3 funds which actually stand out are the HDFC funds. Yeah. Within equity diversity, you actually can, when you go back to your office and you just look at the tool online. I cannot resell HDFC funds to customers. Yeah, equity funds. They're great in AUM. They're great in 5 years. They're great in 3 years. They're great in 1 year. They're great in 6 months. They're great in 1 month. They're great in 3 months. I just don't know how to de-sell HDFC. If supposing someone comes and tells me, hey, bhai, HDFC को छोड़ो, HDFC गोली मारो यार, मुझे वो RM HDFC का RM मुझे पसंद नहीं है, उसको गोली मारो. Sell anything else other than HDFC करके आप.
It's not, people are not reselling HDFC.
No, I'm giving examples.
Yeah, people are selling HDFC.
I'm giving only examples.
But how much a person can sell HDFC?
True. All I'm saying is, I am. Thanks to this tool, till this point of time I was dark. I used to look at value research. I used to look at whatever and recommend based on exactly this 5-star. I was dark. Now I am very convinced, and I'm sure.
So you have your own.
No. The customer can also be very convinced that look here, everything is great about that particular product. If I don't have it in a portfolio, let me definitely put it in. Well, I will definitely look at putting a Taurus or putting Reliance, putting this, whatever it is. And supposing, that is on one side. On the other hand, supposing let's say Morgan Stanley comes and tells me that look here, the funds are doing great. Look at this. Some report he will show. There are hundreds of thousands of media points in the country. And there are hundreds of thousands of reports which people release from time to time. And and let's say a Shinsei mutual fund can always release some report saying, great, look at this, yeah, superb. So the minute the Shinsei guy comes and tells me that, I will just pull the Shinsei guy, hey, sit with me here. Now let's see here. And then it will be black and white. Whatever he or she is saying, and whatever it will be black and white. Well, it is great for mutual fund distribution and selling for my customers. It will also be black and white for companies versus distributors, where I say that look, this is how you are. This is why your performance is. So I believe, Suman Bhai, that this should be a tool for you also to use internally. Since you also mentioned that such a tool is not there anywhere else, it is for you. If you are fund management team or somebody comes and says, yeah, we are the best, yeah, look at this business standard report, we are the best, why are you not selling it? You are saying the business standard report says that it is the best, no? Vakar bhai, hang on, 1 minute, hang on. मैं एक टूल दिखाता हूँ आपको, उसमें बताइए, please tell me where we stand with respect to this, and then you please ask me to sell Vakar bhai. I will sell Vakar bhai. I'm not saying you're doing it or you do it. I'm just saying it's a tool for mutual fund companies to be able to compare their funds vis-a-vis others. Benchmark, peer group, everything is there, no? So this is what we see, sir. That's one. And again, this one is there where I really would want you to tell me why this is not good. Hey, so all these 4 are bakwas guys here. So that is if you say that no, that is something which I will accept. I say, yes, sir. If all these 4 guys are bakwas guys, and और ये सब मुझे नहीं मांगता है, मुझे ओरिजिनलिटी चाहिए. मुझे तुम एक काम करो सतीश भाई, एक रिसर्च टीम लगाओ, कुछ अच्छा सा बड़ा MBS को नंबर क्रंच कराओ उनसे, और ओरिजिनल रिपोर्ट में मांगता है, वो दे दो, अच्छा है.
So nothing called original, sir. Everybody has their own use of giving their report.
Correct, sir. I agree. But I am saying that this is the product which you have done, sir.
Yeah, sure.
I am just asking you to de-sell this product. To say that this product is not good because of so-and-so reasons. That's why I want your help, sir. Can you tell me why this product is not good, sir?
It's like, as we told, like, this doesn't give the relevant information what we want. The complete, like, if you look for all types of comparisons, like 3 year, 1 year, cannot be done together.
So this tool only gives this. This tool says that this gives only the Venn diagram, it's called. Venn diagram nalli superset, sorry, cross subset adu kodutte. So I don't have a research tool on my own, and I really believe that this kind of tool again does not exist in the US. So this is where I come from, Suman bhai. This is a part of the mutual fund portfolio which we have done, and like that we have done a lot of other tools in various other products. We are, first of all, we are not only into mutual funds, we are into several kinds of finance services, including insurance, and life insurance is my forte. So there's a lot of work which has happened on life insurance. I would request you to look at our website. Very simple one, es22.com. It's an ocean, and you'll have a lot of things there. Plus, we are also into a business called recruitment, where we have taken so many things online that today, I'm sure, if today Suman Bhai looks at hiring people, he will call the people over for a meeting and they will come and whatever it is. But I believe, just like I mentioned about mutual funds and whatever, I believe that in about 3 years' time, physical interviews will become redundant. They will become, I'm not saying they will become non-existent, they will become redundant. In 10 years' time, everybody will be having an iPad to their instruments. Someone just got married. So, in 15 years' time, when your kid comes to, let's say, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and all, please believe me, he or she will not be carrying an iPad. They will be having an iPad like tablet kind of a thing. So, physical interviews will become redundant. It will happen only on the phone or whatever it is. Video calls. 3G. You know 4G has already been introduced in Japan? Japan only 4G ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ sir. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ 3G ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. And in US they are developing 5G instruments. So the world is going so much on tech that all this will become useless. So therefore we have given recruitment may be geared ourselves for doing video interviews, whatever, all those things. So every of our activities has been taken online. I have created the platform. Okay. Now we need to get our team in and start. So I was all by myself with Murli and a couple of others only. I had closed down my operations in Bangalore. So Chennai, we have my boss is in Chennai. Venkatesh is there. Chennai, there is a huge team which is there. We don't know Taurus, but I mean he's very particular about what he does. He does more of health insurance and he does more of vehicle insurance and very less of mutual funds. So Chennai, there is a 30-member team which does. So I run an independent operation here, sort of, where this we started, but using all technology tools. So this is our background, sir. So Suman Bhai, if it is okay for you, I would want you to spend about 30 to 45 minutes on Taurus. Please. Please go ahead, sir. About your mutual fund company, about generally, and some gyan, sir.
Yeah.
We need a lot of gyan, sir, all of us. You want this thing, sir?
No, I don't. I know it, sir. I don't want.
Please.
Sir, I'll do that.
Yeah, sure, sir. It's okay, sir. I'll evidence keep it for you, sir. Suman Bhai comes from see, there are 2 or 3 reasons why we should support or we should do Taurus business. Okay. Reason number 1, I will tell you. It is there are. See, will you? No, sit, sir. Please sit, sir. I'm talking to this many guys. Sometimes it's a good idea to go with, let's say, a newer company. They're a very fairly new company. Started there. Though as a brand, they have been there for a long time. They restarted their operations, so to say, new team, everything.
Not very aggressive in the market.
Very aggressive in the market. So therefore, I think that it's a good, since they are very new and they are very aggressive and a lot of blood. Khoon bahut garam hai. So that is one reason why we should start there, because they will support us also. They will be able to guide us, they will be able to help us in marketing, all those things. Okay, so that's one reason you should support them. And as Suman said, they are also the fastest growing, one of the fastest growing mutual fund companies in the country. Second reason, and that's a personal reason, it might not be relevant for you and customers. I go a long way back as far as the Taurus people are concerned. Taurus mutual fund has got a CEO by name Vakar Naqvi. Vakar and me were responsible for, I said no, international operations. Okay, so I was in a company called Birla Sun Life Insurance handling international marketing. Vakar was in Birla Sun Life Mutual Funds handling international marketing. So Vakar Naqvi, who was their CEO, and we used to meet at Dubai. So that's why I go a long way back with Vakar Bhai, and also with GVK, your boss. I was looking after South for Birla Sun Life Insurance, and GVK was looking after South for Birla Sun Life Insurance. So I was based in Bangalore, but used to go to Chennai every now and then. And for a long time, we used to use GVK's office. Chennai, I'm talking about 2001, 2002, when we didn't have our Birla Sun Life Insurance did not have our office in Chennai. We used the Birla Sun Life Mutual Funds office in Chennai for. So GVK and me again go back a long way. It's been of a great support. So given that, and in fact, to tell you, though I mean, you should not go back and tell him that, GVK was my inspiration to start up on my own. Though he's come back to the industry and all that. So the first thing which I did on as soon as I joined Election along with Venkat, me and Venkat had gone and met GVK at his office. At, you know that now in Mylapore, in what's the company's name? He had this brother-in-law. GVK's brother-in-law and him were having that operation. Forget the name of the company also, but I'm sure you would know Zaman bhai. Tirchi ka aadmi hai. From Tiruchirappalli. So GVK's brother-in-law. You know that GVK was on his own before coming India. He was a chief mentor for that. Even the designation was chief mentor. The end of the day was CEO and all that. So the first thing I did was to meet him, and there, that is when he actually told me. When first day namige undu itara ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ತರ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಬರ್ತೀಯ ನಿಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಯಾವ ತರ that kind of input he had given. Anyway, so he was one of the inspirations to actually begin. So some of the reasons only, plus of course he has talked about Taurus Ethical Fund and all. Reason number 4, the most important reason for this is Taurus is one of those 10 funds where online link is available for us. So we should definitely look at patronizing Taurus. I would want you guys along with a few others to look at Taurus. So we will do business, sir. And the roadmap is this, sir. Though we still operate out of this house and whatever, I believe that when our revenues start coming in, I'll be immediately going to some other place. And I believe that we are there for we are definitely there for the long term. And we will make it big someday, sir. Well, all this is only talk. 2 years, nothing has happened. Obviously, nothing has happened because of technology. Now that we have started doing business, I believe that things will happen, sir. Video supports.
Yeah.
These two words.
What is there on the time?
Excellent. Yeah. Great.
See, most of them would have heard the name Taurus, but they don't know what is it. See, Taurus Mutual Fund Company is the second oldest company to get license from SEBI. It was in 1993. It's not a very new fund house. It's a very old company.
However,
okay, and after that, for the first 7 years, the foreign management was running the show. In 1999 onwards, the Indian HB portfolio, they took over Taurus, and they were not very aggressive in the mutual fund business. In 2007, they thought mutual fund as a serious business and started recruiting people and recruited our CEO, Mr. Waqar Abbas Naqvi, who was, as Sir told, was heading offshore equity in Birla Mutual Funds. Okay, and after that, people, many from Birla, including me, I was working for Birla Mutual Funds, moved to Taurus. From then, when we came in, the AUM of Taurus was just 90 crores. There was no debt fund in the debt fund. Just 90 crore AUM. And after we all joined, the first thing our CEO did was he came up with a new concept fund, which is a Taurus Ethical Fund, which no company has it, which is a Sharia compliant fund. Okay, and so that was brought into the market. Initially, when the fund came in, it was like we targeted more to Muslims, and the collection was very low initially.
You should actually explain more about Taurus Ethical Funds, because we will be pitching Taurus Ethical.
Yeah, I'll just tell them how I do it and all. Given them the 1 pages and all.
Sure.
Okay, and Taurus Ethical Fund, and after that our Liquid Plus Fund came in, wherein we have already crossed 3,000 plus crores in AUM in the market. It is just 1.5 years. That's it. So that is about Taurus. And Taurus Tax Shield is one of the best performing ALSS funds in the market. You saw it now, I just showed you. I was like, Taurus Tax Shield was there in the 1 year, 3 year performance. Okay, and that is one fund I would request you can target the clients easily. So, and the next thing is like,
So go ahead, you carry on, sir. You carry on, sir.
yeah. See, initially initially when you just go to meet a client and talk about Taurus, yeah, Taurus, watch Taurus, watch plug-in Taurus. Yeah, he may, that question may come to you, but you can tell him, see, nowadays all AMCs has equity funds. See, clients are also looking for something new in the market. See, I would suggest you can go target clients with the Taurus Ethical Fund by its performance. Okay, I'll tell you what happens in Taurus Ethical Fund. There is no competitors for that fund in any of the AMC. There is no fund in any of the AMC ethical fund. Okay, it's a Taurus Sharia compliant fund.
Sharia for Muslims.
Yeah, Muslims. Sharia compliant fund. See, we have the one pager here. The Sharia compliant fund. Actively managed Sharia compliant fund. Okay. We started that fund in April 2009. Okay. And today the NAV, as you saw, it's doing at 22.66. So now you will only be coming to know what is the performance of that fund. So the fund is really doing good in the market. Okay. If a person who would have invested a lakh of rupees, the current value of the fund would have been 2,30,000 rupees. Okay, that is the performance of the fund. Okay. And what happens in this fund is, this fund we don't invest the portfolio. If you just see, there is no bank stocks in this. Bank stocks. There is no HDFC, because according to Sharia norms, it clearly tells they should not be guaranteed interest in the part in the return. See, if you keep money in banks, there is returns on it, right? So that is not according to Sharia. It's haram, what they call. So there is no bank stocks in this. Okay. There is no alcohol company. It's like there is no United Breweries and all. There is no stock of United Breweries and all. There is no pork related investments. There is
That's
no.
why it's
Sharia.
allotted to the Muslims.
Muslims, but don't target only Muslims. Because of its performance, you can also target Hindus. And most of the Jains follow the same. See, if you see in India, if you see, most of them, it's like, you see, no parents will tell a kid that you go have a smoke, you go have a drink, right? So that is the thing. So I would suggest you can see, there is no bank stocks in this. There is no alcohol manufacturing company. There is no tobacco. There is no pork related investments. Okay, it's the purified. So we follow the S&P CNX 500 Sharia Index. So in that, after filtering, we get hardly 150 to 200 stocks. Okay. From then we do our portfolio. So what happens is, when these things are happening, you get financially strong companies. See, the portfolio will be of financially strong. That is why the performance of the fund is also good. So no company, no competitors for this fund. You can easily pitch in this fund. You just go meet the client, giving you my number. So after that, whenever there is a doubt, you can just give me a call. That is because after that only you get to know what is what. Okay. This is about Sharia compliant fund. Slightly different than any other fund in the market. The next fund would be the Taurus Tax Shield. And the best part is, from the day the fund launched, we have already declared 4 dividends in this fund. 4 dividends. Taurus Tax Shield is the other fund. Okay. On 30th also we are declaring a dividend in this fund. This month 30th, we are declaring 1 rupee 25 paisa dividend on this fund. So I would suggest if you can help us out, you can start to us immediately. If there is any person who is looking for tax benefit and who is looking for dividend, you can suggest this fund. This is same as the other tax shield funds. 3-year lock-in, you should be knowing it. All ELSS funds are locked in for 3 years.
Sir, how we will reach the customer for this fund? Can you explain?
See, all clients will be looking for the ELSS funds. It's not that whenever they have to CF tax, they need to show under the section 80C. If you invest money in this, you can show that under section 80C up to 1 lakh rupees. So their tax directly deducted from his income. That's the best part. So for the income tax, you need to pay income tax, right?
Yeah.
So if you invest in this fund, up to 1 lakh rupees, you get income tax benefit. Taxable. So everybody
That's the
will
only
be.
reason.
Yeah. Tax funds are there. And because of its performance. Dividend track record. I would suggest initially, so I am giving you the only 2 products of ours where you can just start pitching, and after that I will start giving you a mid-cap fund, Star Shells is a multi-cap fund. Initially you start with this.
These are the top most.
Yeah. Any classification? So I have told them only about 2 funds of ours.
Sure, sir.
Which is
Ethical fund is
ethical
one.
fund and the tax shield fund.
Tax shield fund. The ELSS
Right.
fund.
Yeah.
Okay.
Once they start doing this, see, ELSS, I have told them we are declaring a dividend on 30th, that is day after.
Okay.
So of 1 rupee 25 paisa. Then help me out for the dividends would be really great.
Okay.
If a person who is looking for tax benefit and dividend,
Okay.
you will be getting it, no, sir.
Correct.
Try out, sir.
Sure, sir. I'll do this, sir. But it's slightly because fine, sir. We have some pipelines. We just only can start. We created some pipelines, but all of them will get closed only during the middle of this week and next week onwards.
Just try, sir.
I'll try,
If
sir. I'll
somebody
definitely try, sir. No,
somebody
surely.
is looking for the tax
Surely,
fund,
surely.
you can easily get it.
Surely, sir.
Okay?
Sure, sir. Any other fund is there you know about, sir?
No, initially let them get trust with this fund.
Sure, sir.
So after that, once the customer also get trust on us, they can start pitching on all the multi-cap fund. Sir, I also have a ethical fund SIP presentation on this.
Why not, sir? Please.
I guess this is there. See, here is a thing which not everybody has it. Huh? She has it.
This not doing
Yeah, I take this. I just give it to you.
Okay.
So this is a sheet which clearly shows if a person who would have invested 1000 rupees SIP every month from the day the fund started, okay? So if you had invested 1000 rupees, we have completed 22 months. So you would have invested 22,000 rupees. So the current value of the fund would have been 26,400 rupees. So where the returns is almost 20%. So here the money also averages. So this would be the best way to invest. You can just show them this. He will easily get it. There is also details of our funds, what happens when they, you can easily target this fund. Any clarifications? Any doubts? So initially you start with these two products. Okay. After that we'll meet again. We'll be on a regular touch. I've given you my cards. Whenever there is any problem, just give me a buzz from wherever you are.
Any new products are coming out with, sir? Any current plans?
As of now, no, sir.
Okay.
If there is anything, yeah, we'll be informed.
Okay.